Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So as discussed in yesterday's analysis, the market has to be sideways, that tend to be proved today. Nifty in 5 minute opened positive only, but it was stuck in a CPR range only. It was sideways, we can tell. We don't have any big momentum, and I have told 25,000 level is not easy to break. So we have closed with 21 points positive, where Nifty was 24,857 while closing. So Bank Nifty in 5 minutes it opened positive, and we have seen it try to recover, but there is a huge resistance at 52,000 level. So it just retraced once and it was stuck in CPR level only. So it given a closing of 93 points positive close. So let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what the big player planning. Will follow by FII. In future index they were having 65% long, 35% short. So today they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. So they have 66% long, 34% short. And in option index at call they were having 2.54 lakhs of call buying. Today they have increased the call buying by 64,000 contracts. So they have 3 lakh of call buying contract, and whereas in put they were having 1.74 lakhs of put buying. Today they have increased their put buying as well. 49,000 contract were added, so they have 2.24 lakhs of put buying. Here slight positive they are in options, but they are good positive in future index. In cash market they have sold for 5,598 crores. Even though they are selling in cash market, but in F&O they are positive only. Option buying versus selling, they have 56% call buying, 44% call writing, 53% put buying, 47% put writing. Client are the retailers in future index. They were having 47% long, 53% short. So today no changes, same 47% long, 53% short they have. Option index at call they were having 8,000 of call writing position by yesterday. Today they have increased the call writing by 1.76 lakh contract. So they have 1.85 lakhs of call writing contract. At put they were having 4.33 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded in profit 69,000 contract. So they have 3.63 lakhs of put writing contract. So here they have want to hedge their position in options, but slight positive only, and they are neutral in future index as they are booking the profit in cash market. They sold for 138 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 49% call buying, 51% call writing, 49% put buying, 51% put writing. Proprietor desk in future index long they were having 43% long, 52% short. Today no changes, 43% long, 57% short. And in option index at call they were having 2.47 lakhs of call writing contract. So they have unwinded 1.12 lakh contract. So still they have 1.35 lakhs of call writing. At put they were having 68,000 of put writing contract. Today they have increased their put writing by 1.14 lakhs. So they have 1.82 lakhs of put writing. Here they have made a bullish view, but they were holding a neutral positions in call writing. So they are neutral, and here they are slight negative in futures because they are purchasing in cash market. They purchased for 750 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 48% call buying, 52% call writing, 48% put buying, 52% put writing. Now let's check the change in OI. Nifty for coming week expiry, that will be on August 1st. We have seen call writing unwinding at 24,800 and 25,000. It means there is a very good put writing has controlled the market now, because we have seen good number of put writing addition also, and short straddle at 24,900. So see, still the market is stuck in some range. It will be sideways, but the momentum will be on positive side only. This change in OI is showing for Nifty. So Bank Nifty, tomorrow there is a monthly expiry for July series. So what we have, good number of put writing we have seen today, and call writing addition we have seen at 52,000. So 52,000 level is more crucial now. It is making a good resistance, and still we have slight average number of put writing sitting at 52,000. So Bank Nifty is not that much bullish comparing to the data of Nifty. Now let's check the technical analysis. So Nasdaq just opened and it is trading slightly negative, whereas Dow is trading positive by 152 points. So Nifty in 1 day time frame we have seen it has made a doji candle today. So we have a support of 24,850 here. So doji is taking a support of 24,850, and we have a resistance of 25,000 as well. So we have to see, whether it's going to break on a lower side or on a higher side. But as per the data, it is sideways to positive only. We don't have negative movement, we have only positive view in Nifty. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has made a doji candle today also. So 52,000 levels, it is a crucial level. It has made a resistance 52,000, and we have a support of 51,500 now, and as per the data it is sideways movement only. So tomorrow for Bank Nifty we don't have anything, and for Nifty we can think of buy on dip. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.